Hi lovely friends. Today I will show you 2 easy ways to back up photos and videos from your Samsung phone to the cloud in 2025. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. First method, using Samsung Gallery with OneDrive. To avoid wasting any time, open the Gallery app on your Samsung phone. Now, look at the bottom right corner. You'll see 3 lines. Press on them and press on Settings. Here, you'll see an option called Sync with OneDrive. This option allows your photos and videos to automatically back up to Microsoft OneDrive. That way, you can access your gallery from any device where you're signed in with the same account. Press on Sync with OneDrive and you'll see a toggle switch. Turn it on. If this is your first time using it, your phone will ask you to sign in to your Microsoft account. Once you're signed in, you can choose which photo albums you want to back up. And if you don't want to use a Microsoft account, no worries. The next method is perfect for you. Open the Google Photos app. Go to your profile icon in the top right corner. There, you'll see an option that says Turn on Backup. Tapping Turn on Backup means Google Photos will start saving copies of your photos and videos to your Google account. This keeps your memories safe online and lets you access them from any device. Before the backup starts, you'll see a screen called Backup Photos and Videos, where you can choose which folders to back up and what backup quality you prefer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.